Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find X8s and let me show you how to change wallpaper. So at first, open the settings. Then from main settings list, select Wallpapers and Style. And here mark Wallpapers. Choose the album from which you want to select your wallpaper. Then pick the photo. Let me apply, for example, this one. Mark Apply to, and then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, both of them, or if you wish to create carousel wallpapers. But let me set it on both. Here you can customize it a bit. You can check the colors if you want to customize it differently. But let me leave it this way and then just mark Apply. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, it is already set. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.